Hi! So this is just a quick video showing you how I painted this abstract background. This background is for a whale painting that I'm working on. I haven't painted the whale yet, so this is just for the background, just to show you how I did it. As always, this is a sped up version, but if you'd like to see the full-length video and tutorial, then just head to the link in the description of this video and sign up to my Patreon, where you can get instant access to all of my full-length tutorials.